Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be looking at apps in ChatGPT. This is something they've launched recently, and we'll just give it a try and see how it is and how can you use it, early impressions. So ChatGPT has launched something called apps, and it's as simple as just writing booking.com or Canva or Figma, for example, and then what it'll essentially do is communicate with the app. And so yeah, there are a few examples that they've shared. Uh, we'll uh, we'll try it ourselves and see. So let's quickly jump in now. What you need to do is, whichever app you want to use, for example, let's say Canva, just type it and you'll see it here. So once it comes here, it is there, as in it's being used. And similarly, you can actually use two apps at once as well. I'm not sure, but essentially what you do is, when you log in or authenticate these apps, you can see here. So basically you can use two apps as well, right? So that's how it is. So let's say, just write in Canva, create me a, let's say, create me a birthday invite for my son who's turning 1. His name is Himanshu, and just that. And let's see what it gives us. So it'll connect to the app. So you need to authenticate, as I mentioned before, and once you authenticate, it can communicate with Canva. And then you can also do changes here and it'll reflect there, or if you choose to edit it on Canva, you can do it that as well. So you're flexible that way. So let us see what kind of results it gives us. I think essentially how I look at Canva is, it's a very good design tool. So if, let's say, I've done a lot of research on ChatGPT and I just want to create something, so what you can do is, like, this is here, and I think, yeah, you can open it in Canva. And when you open it, I'll just authenticate, and I think once it authenticates, it'll yeah, you can edit this. And what you can also do is, for example, can you add the location as Sarjapur Road, Bengaluru. Let's see how it does. So it is connecting to the app. It will be interesting to see, does it give like totally different results, or does it edit it in the same design? Let's see. We've not asked it. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it's given me like a placeholder of sorts. So that's good enough as well. Now let's try it for something else. Let's try out Spotify. Okay, first let me find me podcasts of Tim. It's podcast interview. Let's see. What I'm trying to do essentially is find all this and then probably create a Spotify playlist of sorts. So let's see if it can do this task for me. Okay, cool. Now, so essentially it's given me all these interviews, right? Can you create a playlist? And I'll write Spotify. Can you create a playlist? Let's see. If it's able to pull up links, Spotify links. Let's see. Okay. Oh, okay. So this way it's just failed. Okay. Can you add the how do I say it? Can you add the most underrated songs from the last decade from Bollywood to a playlist? Maximum songs. Keep it at 10. Let's see. Okay, so it's connecting. Hidden Gems Bollywood. Okay, so it's adding those tracks. Okay, so it's given me these songs. From the look of it, I mean, I've tried this app before as well. It is not so good. So what I'll suggest is first find these songs on, let's say, from ChatGPT, and then ask Spotify to do it. That way it'd be better. So no worries. Now let us create a new chat. I want to try booking.com. So what I'll do is booking.com, find me hotels under, let's say, $50 in Tokyo for let's make it hostels in under $50 in Tokyo for, let's say, tomorrow. Okay, starting tomorrow for 3 nights. Ensure the rating is above 4-star. Let's see what booking.com gives us. Usually these apps are very fast, like okay, I mean, it doesn't seem it's working, the API. Bad for us, but usually what it does is it'll show you these listings. Let me check. Find me hotels in Agra for tomorrow. 5-star properties under 7,000. Let's see if it works for India. Oh, okay, for India it works. So giving me 11, 12, and giving me, now obviously these are not 5-star properties, but I'm not sure how it is doing this, but yeah, under my budget. And this I can also search how much does IDC Mughal cost. Let's see. Let's see if it's able to find the hotel for that date and then give me a price. Okay, I don't think so. Hotel, okay, it's giving me standard price. So I mean, yeah, that was a quick look. Now currently there are very limited apps, but they've opened up support, opened up their SDK. And here are a few examples, right? Like similarly, find me a hotel in Paris for 2 adults, between this with parking. Similarly for Canva, it's more around like creating a deck or something. Coursera, it's more about clips, etc., right? It's more like a on-demand teacher of sorts, right? Expedia, similarly, flights. Figma, Spotify, Zillow, and I think they're going to add Uber, Khan Academy. So overall, a very interesting update, quite useful as well, especially if you are manually doing back and forths, or you really want to make it more useful in your workflow. I think this is a very important update, and as of now, no other LLM supports this. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see. Cool, awesome guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much, and bye bye.